Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a new 2019 Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. Give you a little spec information on the boat first. Boat's 21 feet overall. It has an 8-foot 6-inch beam. The boat weighs approximately 3,600 pounds. As you see, this boat has the light gray gel coat, full hull color with the red Boston Whaler graphics, which gives it that nice classic whaler look. As we look back to the transom, you'll see this boat is equipped with the new 2019 Mercury 200. You have rod holders across the transom. You have the teak package, so you have a teak swim platform and teak side steps. Really finishes out the look of the boat nicely. You have twin transom seats that pop up, batteries underneath, converts easily to a casting platform. Move up to the helm area. You have the deluxe leaning post with flip-up bolsters. There's a live well as well in the helm. As we move up to the controls, digital throttle and shift, Lenco trim tabs, fusion stereo, all your toggle switches. Great view on this boat when you're at the helm. As we look in the console, you have a pump out head. You also have storage for your bow table or cockpit table. A lot of space, great place to store life jackets, dock lines, fenders, etc. As we move up into the bow, there's a cooler seat that installs here. We've got it out of the boat for safekeeping. You also have a huge fish box here in the bow, which is drainable. You can put the plug in or pull the plug out. You also have an anchor locker here in the bow as well, and a big casting platform here. You can add a bow cushion to make all of this a full seating area. Well, that's a quick walkthrough of our 2019 Boston Whaler 210 Montauk. Again, my name is John Wright. We'd be glad to show you this boat or any boat in inventory. If you could give us a call, 910-256-8100.